Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to emit an event in Angular. In this video we will learn how to create a custom event in child component and emit it to the parent component. This is a common scenario in Angular applications where you need to communicate between components. Before we begin, make sure you have Angular CLI installed and you have basic understanding of Angular components and component interaction. First of all, if you don't have any Angular project, then you should create a new Angular project, or you can use your existing project as well. Once you are in your project, run the command ng generate component and child. So this would generate a new component child inside the app directory. Now we need to define the custom event in the child component. So open the child component.ts and let's import the event emitter and output from Angular/core. Okay, I have imported event emitter and output. Now inside the child component class, let's define a custom event using output decorator. Okay, and after that we will specify the variable name custom event is equal to new event emitter. This creates an event emitter named custom event that emits a value of type string. Next, we will emit the event from the child component in the child components template child.component.html. So here we will add a button that will trigger the event emission. So let's add that button, emit event, and within that button I will register the click event, and in this click event I will target the custom event property here and use the emit function on it, and here I will pass a string hello world. And now in the parent component we will listen to this event. So open the parent component, but before that we have to import this component in the parent component. As I'm using standalone component, so I will simply import the child component in the app component. Now in its HTML file I will simply access my component app-child, and now let's run this project to see in the browser. Okay, this is what we have so far. If I click on that, nothing is happening. The reason is that we did not listen to the event yet. So here I will add custom event. So this name is exactly same that you have defined inside this component. So this name would be considered the name of that event. Now here I will simply call my function handle event and pass the payload to that function, and in the app.component.ts we will define that handle event function, and let me give it the type string, and now I will show the alert event. Okay, save it. Now let's click on that, and you can see now we can listen to the event from the child to the parent. Further, in the child component HTML, instead of emitting directly from the HTML, you can call another helper function emit event, and you can define that function in the TS file, and from here you can write your logic instead of writing it inside the HTML. Okay, that's it. It will still be working. Alright, congratulations, you have successfully learned how to emit an event from a child component to a parent component in Angular 17. This technique is useful when you need to communicate between components and pass data from a child to its parent. Feel free to explore more advanced scenarios and experiment with passing different types of data through events. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to our channel for more Angular tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.